Dear friends, let's continue with our exercise 16.2. Question number 1. Here the question is given that if 2 1 Wi-Fi is a multiple of 9, find y, means the value of letter y. So from here we find that it is a multiple of 9. So for the procedure 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5, and that will be how much? It will be multiple of 9, and the multiples of 9 can be 9, 18, 27 and so on. So here total 4 digits and y is also one of them is single digit. So total 4 digits are there. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 5, it will be 8 plus y, and that will be multiple of 9. So multiple of 9 can be 9 also, 18 also, 27 and infinitely many. But we want that value, from that we will get value 8 plus y. Suppose we take the first multiple as 9. Therefore the value of y will be 9 minus 8, and we will get y is equal to how much? 1. So it is one digit number, value of y. Secondly, if we take y plus 8, and that will be 18 is second multiple, it can be 18, it is also a multiple of 9. So y is equal to 18 minus 8, and the value of y will be 10. Clear? So if the value is 10 and 10 is two digit number, and two digit number we don't want, because we want only single digit number. Two digit number value of y we don't require, because here y is a single digit number. Therefore y is equal to 1 as the answer, and number will be 2115. At place of y we will write 1. Hope so this much clear. Now we proceed for question number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 16.2, that is 31Z5 is a multiple of 9. So we need to find the value of z. So procedure 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5, summation of all the digit, and it should be multiple of 9, and that z should be single digit, one digit number. Okay, so let's take 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 9 plus z, and it can be multiple of 9. So multiple of 9 are 9, 18, 27 and so on. So 9 plus, if we take multiple of 9 starting with 9, it can be 9. Therefore value of z is equal to 9 minus 9, and therefore z is equal to 0. It is possibility because it is one digit number. We can take another, that is z, 9 plus z is equal to 18, because 18 is also a multiple of 9. So z is equal to 18 minus 9, and z value will be 9, and this is also one digit number. Clear friends? Now this is also possible, z is also 0 and z can be 9 also. We try for the next also. So 9 plus z is equal to another, that is 27, is a multiple of 9. That also we are trying. So z is equal to 27 minus 9 and z is will be 18. Now here 18 is 2-digit number. So when 18 is 2-digit number, we cannot take this z is equal to 18 because we require as a 1-digit number, and this is not possible. Therefore, we can write value of z is equal to 0 or 9, and based on this, number can be 3105 or 3195. We are putting 0 as a value of z, and we can frame another number putting the value or substituting the value of z is equal to 9. So these two numbers can be framed and it can be as a multiple of 9, and it is easily divisible by 9. Okay, concept clear? Now we proceed for the next two question, number 3 and 4. Question number 3, exercise 16.2, question number 3. If 243, it is a 3-digit number and is a multiple of 3. If we add all these, and it will be getting multiple of 3, easily divisible by 3. So we need to find that what will be the number 243 and in which 2 for x, and x what will be the value of x. Suppose we can write like that, 244x is a 3-digit number. Am I right? X here, x is 1-digit number, so we can take 1-digit only, not 2-digit number value of x, and it is multiple of 3. So 2 plus 4 plus x, and it should be multiple of 3. Okay, so multiple of 3 can be 3 3s are 3, 6, 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, and so on. Okay, so first we will take x is equal to value 0 also लेके भी देख लेते हैं. Okay, so 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to multiple of 6, sorry, multiple of 3. तो z can be 0, x की वैल्यू ले लेते हैं, x is equal to 0 सपोज हम लेते हैं. Then 2 plus 4 plus 0, it will give us 6, and 6 is multiple of 3. So possible? Yes. Then x is equal to 1 if we take, then 2 plus 4 plus 1, it will be 7. So not a multiple of 3, so it will be no. Okay, so x is equal to 2, we can take 2 plus 4 plus 2, it will be 8, again not a multiple of 3, so this cannot be the number. Then x is equal to 3, we take 2 plus 4 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Yes, it is multiple of 3 if the summation if this, that is 9. Same way we can go for x also, because single digit number, it can be 0, it can be 3, it can be further also. So 2 plus 4 plus 4, it will be 10. So no, not possible. Then x is equal to 5 also we take, then 2 plus 4 plus 5, and we will get 11. So here also not possible. Then x is equal to 6 we are taking. So 2 plus 4 plus 6, and 6 plus 6, it will be 12. Yes, 12 is a multiple. it is a multiple 3, therefore x can be 6. So this is also possible, and 3 is also possible, and x can be 6 is also possible, other is not possible. Then x is equal to 7 also we can take, x is equal to 8 also, x is equal to 9, and we will take so on, x is equal to 10. Why we cannot take x is equal to 10? Because it is a 2-digit number, and here we want x value as a 1-digit number. So we are not proceeding further than this, but we have to just check till here. So 2 plus 4 plus 7, it will be 13. So no, 13 is not multiple. 2 plus 4 plus 8, it will be 14. Again 14 is not multiple of 3, but 2 plus 4 plus 9, yes, it will be 15, and 15 is multiple of किसका है 3, it is multiple of 3. So it can be, the value of x can be single digit number, that is 0, then 3, then 6 and 9, not 10 and beyond that, because it will be now 2-digit number. Therefore we can write x is equal to 0 or 1, sorry, or 3 or 6 or 9. It correct here? Because this is x is equal to, cannot be 10 because 2-digit number, so we cannot take, we don't require. And by this we can frame the number, that will be 3, 2, 4, and x is equal to 0, so we will write 0. This is the number can be formed. Or if we take 3, the 243, or we can say 246 or 249. So these are the numbers which are there as a multiple or divisible by 3. Hope so this much clear, and we proceed for the last question of this. Okay, so similar type of question, and this figure, that is 31z5. So we need to find the value of z as a letter. Okay, it is a multiple of 3. As we know the divisibility test of 3, that is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5, and it is multiple of 3. It can be 3, it can be 6, it can be 9, it can be 12, it can be 15, and so on. So first, 3 plus 1 4 plus 5, that will be 8 plus z. Okay, and that will be multiple of 3. ऐसा चेक कर लेते हैं. Okay, sorry, माफ करना, 4 plus 5, it will be 9 plus z. So that will be x is equal to 0 ले लो, z is equal to 0. If we take, then I am getting 9 plus 0 is a 9. Okay, so 9 is a multiple of 3. So it can be said that z can be 0. Then if we take z is equal to 1, okay, so 9 plus 1, it will be 10. So it is not a multiple of 3, so not possible, it cannot be. Then z is equal to 2. If we take the 9 plus 2, it will be 11, and 11 is also not a multiple of 3, so not possible. Then if we take z is equal to 3, so 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Yes, okay, it is a multiple of 3. Okay, that's why z is equal to 3 also possible. Then z is equal to 4, z is equal to 5, because we want z value as a 1-digit number. Okay, z is equal to 1-digit number. So up till 1-digit number means up till 9 we can check it out. So 9 plus 4, it will be 13, not possible. Then 9 plus 5, it will be 14. Again, it is also not possible as a multiple of 3. Then z is equal to 6. Let me take. So 9 plus 6, it will be 15. Yeah, and 15 is, yes, it is a multiple of 3. Then z is equal to 7, or z is equal to 8, or z is equal to 9. We have to check. Z is equal to 10. We are not checking because 9 plus 7, it will be 16. No. 9 plus 8, it will be 17. Again, this is also not possible. Not a multiple of 3, both this number. Okay. Then now we will take 9 plus 9, and it will be 18. And 18 is, yes, z can be 9. It is a multiple of 3. So z cannot be 10. Q, 2-digit number. Okay, so we want z as a 1-digit number. So this is also not possible. So z can be 0, 3, 6, or 9. And value of z will be, it can be any of this number. And using this, the number framed using 0, that will be 3, 1, 0, 5. Using 0, then 3, 1, 3, 5, then 3, 1, 6, 5, and 3, 1, 9, 5. So these are the numbers. This can be the numbers, okay, as a multiple of 3. Hope so this much clear to you all, and we have completed our lesson number 16. Okay, and this is the end of syllabus of standard 8. All the chapters we have covered, all 1 to 16 chapters, and you can go to for the revision work of YouTube channel, and we will also proceed for the revision work.